Dear friend, I'm Mika, M-I-K-A, T-B-I-1-E. Let's learn how to pronounce sound o, o, u, and u with me. The first we are going to talk is about pronounce and a. A is a long sound, while a is a short sound. Okay, let's begin with sentence number 1. Number 1. I swam with my brother yesterday. Number 2. I drank a cup of black coffee. Number 3. The bad boy is running from his fence. Number 4. My uncle gave me a cat. Number 5. They come from barren land. Number 6. He got a good ranking because he's studying hard. Number 7. We stand up in front of the camera. Number 8. He loves his family so much. Number 9. Rina is fat and chubby. Number 10. He doesn't have money to pay taxes. Number 11. I won dancing competition last month. Number 12. I picked some apple to you. Number 13. This cobblestone is cursed by landslide. Number 14. His ankle was dislocated, so he must wear crutch. Number 15. He is stubborn and always looks angry. And next, we are going to talk about pronouns o and o. Number 1. Four daughters are seeing Snow White show. Number 2. The bowl is full of meatball. Number 3. The lawyer goes to the court. Number 4. I saw my clothes because it is torn. Number 5. The storm isn't stopped since 2 days ago. Number 6. The tall man is still 15 years old. Number 7. I'm walking alone in this area. Number 8. She opened her store in the morning. Number 9. Your joke is totally funny. Number 10. He was born in November. Number 11. I know you can do more. Number 12. I talked to my mom via telephone. Number 13. He falls into the hole. Number 14. This loading is too long. Number 15. The North Pole is very cold. The last one, pronouns u and u. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. I am so sure it will suit for me. Number 2. I will make less sugar food. Number 3. This cookies is made with some fruits. Number 4. I am looking for my new shoes. Number 5. You should mute your microphone. Number 6. This blouse is too loose for me. Number 7. Bullying often occurs at school. Number 8. You should go out from this room. Number 9. The women are usually gentle. Number 10. He wanna be a football player in the future. Number 11. He would build swimming pool in his house. Number 12. Sila is cooking soup for dinner. Number 13. Good attitude. Get everyone's respect. Number 14. Sandalwood is usually used to make perfume. Number 15. He was doing push-up this afternoon. Okay, that's enough. We have done to practicing pronunciation. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for your attention. Bye.